Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change seats on Ticketek. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketek account, which of course I've done right here. And then the next thing is I'm going to walk you through the process of creating your own account on Ticketek. So launch any browser of your choice. And once you launch your browser, go ahead and locate the search bar of your browser. In the search bar, type ticketek.com and that's going to take you to the official website for Ticketek. Now, once you get to the official website for Ticketek, follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your own account. Now, once you're done creating your account successfully, that's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Ticketek. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to change seats on Ticketek. Now, I'd like you to know that you cannot change your seat on Ticketek after placing an order. Here's exactly where it takes you to. All right, so this is it. All right. Remember to check your allocation carefully, as once you have submitted your booking, there are no changes. So you need to be sure that you are satisfied and happy with the seats that you chose, because once you have done that, there's no going back. Here's another one. It's important to remember that we do not offer any exchanges once you have made your booking. So please make sure you're happy with the location of, so make sure you're happy with the location of your seats before you book, and you can check out full terms and conditions. So after you have placed your booking, I'm sorry, as of now, Ticketek cannot exchange your seats and they cannot change your seats. So let's say during the time of booking, you selected a seat and you want to change it to something else. It's just very simple. Let's say I'm just going to open up this and I want to purchase that ticket. I'm going to show you how to get that done. So I'm just going to select venue. So I'm selecting that venue. Scroll down. Okay, you see that has been exhausted. So I'm going to select date. We'll click on find tickets. So here are the details, and the seats map is going to be up right now. So here, so let's say you selected the seats, which is this, and you don't like it, you want to change, and this is reserved seating. All right, let's say you want to change this, you can go ahead and click on this change button and select any other seats that you want. So let's say 6. All right, that's also fine, right? So if you want to change, you can go ahead and click on change and select any other one that you want. So this is pretty much it. But then once you have placed an order and you have successfully gone through the stages of booking, you cannot change your seat. So go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get started. And of course, once you're done with the tutorial, you're gonna be really good at making this choice. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.